In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to solve inequalities involving absolute values. This is part 1 of this series. When solving equations or inequalities that involve absolute value, the following 3 principles will be useful. In this example, we'll be focusing on the second principle, which states that if a is greater than 0, then the absolute of x is less than a if and only if x is between negative a and a. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 states, solve the absolute of 5x minus 2 is less than or equal to 8. If you run into a situation like this, you want to break down your expression like so. Negative 8 is less than or equal to 5x minus 2 is less than or equal to positive 8. Next, what we'll do is concentrate on this side and solve for x when you have this expression, and solve for x when you have this expression. We'll start with the yellows. Negative 8 is equal to 5x minus 2. And we're going to solve for x here, so we bring this 2 over. Negative 8 plus 2, 5x. The left side is equal to negative 6, and the right side is equal to 5x. We now divide both sides by 5, and we end up with negative 6 over 5 is equal to x, or in other words, negative 6 over 5 is less than or equal to x. We're going to do the same thing for this part now. 5x minus 2 is less than or equal to 8. We bring the 2 over. 8 plus 2. 5x is left on the left side. Therefore, x is less than or equal to 10 divided by 5, which is 2. X in the middle, less than or equal to 2, greater or equal to negative 6 over 5. Let's continue with question 2. In question 2, they ask us to solve the absolute of x plus 5 is less than 1. Now once again, we will convert this expression so that it looks like this. X plus 5 is greater than negative 1, but less than positive 1. We will solve this equation in 2 separate ways. We'll start off with this expression. Negative 1 is equal to x plus 5. Solving for x here, bringing this 5 over makes it negative. And so we're left with negative 6 on the left side. And on the right side, we're left with x, where x is greater than negative 6. Now we'll solve this part. X plus 5 is less than positive 1. Bringing this 5 over. 1 minus 5, x, and on the right side you end up with negative 4, x. So to write this out, we would say x is greater than negative 6, but less than negative 4. And there you have it. That is how to solve inequalities involving absolute values where this is less than a. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support our channel by subscribing or by liking this video. If you have any further questions, you may visit our website at studyforce.com. We're an online service for students seeking free homework help. See you soon.